how to download iCloud to your Windows PC or laptop. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install iCloud on your Windows computer so that then you can back up your files to your iCloud account, or you can even access files that are on iCloud on your Windows computer. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, all we need to do is go down, select the Windows Start button to open up the menu. And then in the menu, what we're looking for is Microsoft Store. So you might see it right there. If not, just type Store and it'll search it. And then you should see Microsoft Store come up as the best match. Select that. Once the store opens, go up to the top and just type iCloud. In the results, look for iCloud right here. Should look like this. Select it. Now this is the official iCloud app from Apple, so we know it's safe to install. So go ahead, select install. It may say get for you. So select get or install, and then it will quickly install the iCloud app on our computer. So once it's done installing, select open. You can read through this information and then select get started. After that, we just need to log into our Apple ID account. So this is the same account that we use on our iPhone, Apple TV, iTunes, anything like that. So go ahead, log into your account. It will then sign into your Apple ID account. And then now we just need to set it up. We can have it automatically back up any photos we have on our computer by selecting sync photos. And they also have some advanced settings in there if you want to be a little more granular with it. I'm going to select not now. We can always change that later. And then we can also back up and sync our file explorer. So you can select sync files there. And I'm going to do this because I think it's a really easy way to access my iCloud files directly within the file explorer on my computer. After that, you can sync your passwords. I'm not going to do that. And then you can also sync your bookmarks, and I'm not going to do that. It'll then show you everything that iCloud has to offer, and you can go in here and turn those on, off, change any settings that you want to. Now, if you open up the File Explorer, you should see a little folder that says File Explorer on your taskbar at the bottom. And if you open that up and scroll down, you'll see iCloud Drive. So you can select that and give it some time to sync and download everything, but you can go there and you'll be able to access all the files that are on your iCloud Drive directly on your PC. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.